Hi guys, welcome to Eminence Stitches. I am Bukola. Today I'll be sharing a tutorial on how to cut bias. Cutting bias depends on the fabric, on what you need, and there's no fabric that you cannot use for your bias. You can use lace as well, and I want to show us what bias look like. This is bias. This is how it looks. This is bias. Now, to cut bias, the standard measurement for bias is 1 inch, which I'll be doing that now. So I will use pen to mark my bias. If you want to mark it, you can start from any of these four angles. You can start from any of it, but me, for this tutorial, I will be starting from these points. Then I will be drawing a straight line across my fabric. Down like this. You can fold your fabric together, but this one, I'm opening this. You can fold it like this to cut your bias. Then you can also open it like this. I want to open this one. So the next thing, I will put my tape measure. I told us the measurement for bias is 1 inch. That is the width of it. Just mark it all through. Depends on what you want to use. Now I'm done with the marking of my bias. The next thing we are going to do is to rule out all these points. We are going to extend it like this. Continue going like so. I hope we are seeing it. Yeah? Just be careful so that it will be straight and okay. So to give you a perfect bias. Carefully ruling it down. And be looking at the both edge. Make sure that it's accurate. Now I'm done with all the points now. Then the next thing now is to cut it out. I'm going to cut everything out. Then I will show us how to join it together. Now I'm cutting. That is how you'll be cutting it, like so. Just like so. Then you can make your own bias wider than this. Depends on what you want to use it for. You can make it wider than this. Now I'm done with the cutting. The next thing now is to pick any tool. Stitch must not more than 1/4. that is 0.2. Whatever you want to stitch must not more than 0.2. And let me show us is 0.2 on our tape measure. This is 0.2 here. From me, this is 0.22 here. This is 0.2. So all you have to, you can see, to stitch must not more than 0.2. Then you stitch it down like this. Then when you're done with the stitching, then you open it. It will give you something like this. Then you trim off this place. But the easiest way is to cut out this triangle shape at the edge. Just cut it out like this, and to give you something like this, then you stitch in your 0.2 inch inside. There's a quarter, stitching a quarter. Then depends on the length you need. If you need like 30 inches, you still need more, like 2 of this with it. You just cut the edge, then you come to this place. If you want to join another one, you cut out this place. Just make sure you trim out that shape, then you pick another one, you join it with it, then you stitch in another 0.2 like this, 0.2, then till you get what your desired measurement. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.